Hello Year 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11 and welcome to my first live action virtual assembly. It certainly feels a bit strange, but these are very strange times at the moment. So I wanted to say how proud I am of everyone who's part of the County High School Lethwich community. I'm really proud of your teachers and support staff for all of the online resources, motivational messages and additional support they provided for lots of you. Thank you. I wanted to thank the site team, the cleaners and canteen staff, as well as the small number of staff in the senior leadership team who've opened up the school for the children of emergency care workers and those who absolutely need it. Thank you. I want to thank your parents and your carers for supporting you in lots and lots of different ways in these very uncertain and unusual times. But finally, I wanted to say thank you to you, the students. We've talked a lot this year about developing our knowledge and skills, and I've heard reports of lots of you working independently, thinking really hard so that you know more and can do more. Well done. We've talked about developing your character, and this is certainly a time where we all need to show our character. We need to show our leadership skills, our organisation, our resilience, our initiative, and our communication skills. And we've talked about developing our creativity and imagination. And we certainly need these skills to be able to adapt and adopt to these new ways of working. So make sure you use this time to continue to create beautiful pieces of art, dance, song, and performance. The other three messages we've discussed this year are our three expectations. The first one being, be ready to learn. Whether that's using online resources or paper resources, make sure you have a routine at the moment and try your best to stick to it. But also, try your best not to get too stressed. You must be realistic. A little and often works best for most of us. The second one is to be respectful and safe. Your parents and your carers are going through a really stressful time at the moment as well. You need to do your bit to help out at home. You need to be kind and you need to stay safe. Keep washing those hands and stay at home. The last one is to embrace opportunities. And this reminds me of the assembly when the last time we met in the hall, which was all about resilience. And we looked at those top 10 tips to how to be resilient. And one of them was to embrace opportunities. And those two words, that problem and opportunities put together. We've obviously at the moment got a massive problem. It does create an opportunity. We've got time on our hands. Learn something new, do something different. So 2 sets of 3 there. Developing our knowledge and skills, our character and our creativity and imagination. And making sure that we're ready to learn, that we're respectful and safe, and that we embrace opportunities. And I'm going to finish with a new set of 3, something I'm sure you've heard a lot of. Stay at home, protect the NHS, and save lives. The piece of music I would like to finish with today is a song called Whatever by Oasis, and you'll be able to find it on YouTube or a streaming service. And I've selected this, again, thinking back to that assembly on resilience, because one of the top 10 tips was to create a vision. And one of the lines in this song is, I'm free to be whatever I choose. So create your vision, whatever you want to be, and find a way of making it happen. I'll see you soon.